The U.S. State Department has approved the sale of UH-60M Black Hawk helicopters to Croatia. It is about the sale of 8 helicopters and additional equipment to them in the amount of $500,000. The helicopters are planned to be armed with M240H machine guns. The contract also provides for the delivery of simulators for pilots and ground personnel, helmets and spare parts for service personnel. The UH-60 Black Hawk is an American tactical multi-role helicopter. It is designed to transport personnel, military cargo, as well as for the evacuation of the wounded and transporting large-sized cargo.